Hi there, my name is Johnny Lin and I will be your instructor for the course Basic Python Programming for Earth Science and Engineering. In this short video, I'd like to show you some of the neat things that you can do with just a few lines of Python code. So here we see a Jupyter Notebook, which is an environment that we can use to type in lines of Python code and run them and see the result all in the same window. So I'm going to type a couple lines here. So once I've got these lines typed in, I can now run the code, and voila, I've generated an XY plot using the X values that I typed in, as well as the Y values that I added to. Python's a really powerful programming language that can be used in science and engineering for all sorts of things, data analysis, modeling, and of course here, as we see, with visualization. In the course that we'll be going over in the next 6 weeks, we'll be starting from the very beginning. So I'm not assuming that you have any experience whatsoever with programming in the past in any language. We'll want to start from the fundamentals and we'll build our way up very slowly and deliberately. You may also, though, be somebody who has programming experience from the past, maybe many years ago, but you're interested in brushing up on those skills and learning Python. And this course will be great for students who'd like to do that too. Anyways, I'm looking forward to having you in class and hope that you can join us. Thanks a lot.